time feels simple. It moves forward, second by second, minute by minute. We wake, we live, we sleep, always moving in the same direction, at the same steady pace. At least, that's what we've always believed. But what if time isn't as stable as it seems? What if time is speeding up, and we don't even notice it? What if the universe has already begun its countdown, a silent acceleration toward an ending we cannot see? This idea sounds terrifying, even impossible, but modern physics, cosmology, and the strange behavior of the universe suggest that time may not be fixed. It may be elastic, fluid, changing. And if it is, then the question becomes unavoidable. What if time is running out faster than we think? To understand this, we need to step back and ask one of the most profound questions in science. What even is time? We measure it with clocks, we describe it with equations, but none of these things define time. They only track it. In physics, time isn't a constant. It can stretch, bend, slow, and speed up depending on gravity, velocity, and the curvature of space-time. Time on Earth flows differently than time near a black hole. Time for a person moving near light speed isn't the same as time for someone standing still. Even your head experiences time slightly faster than your feet, just because it's farther from Earth's center of gravity. So the first thing we must accept is this: time is not universal. Time is not equal. Time is not stable. Once you understand that, the rest becomes far more unsettling. Let's zoom out, far beyond Earth, beyond our star, beyond our galaxy, to the scale of the universe itself. Astrophysicists have discovered that the universe is not only expanding, it's expanding faster every moment. Something out there, what we call dark energy, is pushing galaxies apart at accelerating speeds. This acceleration isn't steady, it's increasing, and if space is accelerating, then time, which is woven into the fabric of space, may be accelerating with it. But there's an even stranger possibility. What if dark energy isn't pushing space apart, but pushing time forward faster? In this scenario, the universe isn't just stretching, the future is rushing toward us. We would never feel it, we would never notice it, because everything, our thoughts, our heartbeat, the decay of atoms, would accelerate at the same rate. Clocks would tick faster, but we wouldn't perceive the difference. From the inside, life would feel normal. From the outside, time would look like it's burning out. Now imagine this. Long ago, the universe expanded slowly. Time flowed like a lazy river. But as dark energy grew stronger, the river sped up. Time became a rapid current, carrying everything with it. If this trend continues, and evidence suggests it will, there may come a point where time accelerates so rapidly that the universe tears itself apart. Physicists call this possibility the Big Rip. In this scenario, galaxies drift so far apart that gravity can't hold them together. Stars become isolated. Solar systems unravel. Planets drift into darkness. Then the smaller things fall apart. Atoms, particles, the structure of space-time itself, not in billions of years, but sooner, much sooner, if time is accelerating. But there's another theory, even more chilling. The acceleration of time could make the end seem far in the future, when in reality, it's approaching at unimaginable speed. But how would we detect it? We might already be seeing signs: ancient stars burning out faster than expected, galaxies rotating in ways that don't match predictions, cosmic structures evolving too quickly to fit standard models. Some researchers believe the universe looks older than it should, as if something has been speeding up its evolution. And then there's the human side. Many people feel time is passing faster every year. Childhood felt long, adulthood feels short, days blur together, years disappear. Psychologists attribute this to memory, stress, and perception. But what if it's not just psychology? What if the brain is an instrument tuned to time, and the instrument is sensing a real acceleration? When clocks speed up, we speed up with them. When the universe accelerates, so do we. What we call life, feeling faster, might be the biological echo of a cosmic truth. Let's entertain another possibility. What if time isn't accelerating continuously, but in pulses, like a heartbeat, a cosmic rhythm? If the universe has phases of accelerated flow, civilizations living through those phases would feel time compressing. Moments would shrink. A century would feel like a decade. A lifetime would flash by. Entire eras could vanish in what feels like an instant. If we are living in one of those accelerated phases, a time compression zone, It could explain why history seems to move faster now than ever before, why technological progress leaps instead of steps, why change feels exponential instead of linear. The universe might be in fast forward, but the most profound question is this: if time is running out faster, what does that mean for us? It means the future may not be as far away as we think. It means humanity's timeline is shorter than it appears. It means our chance to shape history is shrinking with every passing moment. And it means we must reconsider what the end of time truly means. Some theories propose that time could eventually stop completely, not slow to a crawl, not fade gradually, but freeze. A cosmic dead stop. In a universe without time, nothing moves, nothing changes, nothing lives, nothing dies. Everything becomes a single, eternal frame, a cosmic photograph. And we, whatever remains of us, would be trapped in the last moment forever. But there's a more hopeful interpretation. If time accelerates to infinity, the universe may experience what physicists call a temporal singularity, a point where the laws of time break, and something entirely new emerges. It could trigger a new Big Bang, a new universe, a new cycle of time. In that sense, the acceleration of time could be the universe preparing to shed its old form and birth a new reality. The end of time could be the beginning of something else. So what if time is running out faster than we think? It means the universe is changing faster than we realize. It means the cosmic clock is ticking at a speed we cannot measure. It means the familiar, predictable flow of existence may be slipping away. But it also means something deeper. Time has always been an illusion of stability, a fragile thread stretched across an ever-changing cosmos. If time accelerates, if it collapses, if it ends, we are not powerless. We are simply part of something far bigger, a cosmic story that began long before us and will continue long after. And perhaps the real question is not whether time is running out, but what we choose to do with the time we have left. As we continue searching for answers in this vast and mysterious universe, remember that curiosity is humanity's greatest force. Every question we ask, every mystery we chase, brings us one step closer to understanding who we are and where we're heading. If you found meaning, wonder, or inspiration in this journey through the nature of time, I invite you to stay with us. Subscribe to the channel, share your thoughts in the comments, and help us build a community of thinkers, dreamers, and explorers. Your support truly shapes the future of these documentaries. Each view, each like, each message fuels the next story we tell. The universe is filled with unanswered questions, and together we can explore them one by one. Thank you for being part of this cosmic adventure. The journey doesn't end here, it's only just beginning.